making chocolate milk. So right now I have the milky powder in, the chocolate milk powder in. I'll go outside. I have the powder, the chocolate milk powder. I'll put it up here. Then I grab my water bottle. And then I have my water bottle, and I grab the cup. I go inside. I think that's enough. I screw my water bottle on. I mean, you can do it with a coffee machine, but because the thing of it has like a little pod thing, and yeah, let's just wait for it to be done. Don't try this at home. Don't do this part. But it's pretty warm, and it says hot top, no. But it is pretty hot. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yummy milky. Ah. Gotta mix that. Then, since I'm almost ready, we have no milk. Got the cup of milk. Put the milk in here. Now the milk's in here. Now I just pour the milk into it. I just mix the chocolate milk. That's pretty good. And that's how you make chocolate milk, by using the microwave.